Hello, everyone. My name is Felipe Pulido. I am 33 years old. I study engineer at Incopersar University. In the future, I will become a system engineer, and I'm going to work in a big company technology. Today, I am going to talk about my family tree. First of all, my parents are Yolanda Cáceres and Carlos Pulido. They were born in Colombia. My mother is 63 years old. She is very important to me. In the future, she will travel more in Colombia and she is going to spend more time with the family. My father passed away. He was a very good father. In the future, we will always remember him and we are going to make him proud with our achievement. Now, I am going to talk about my brothers and sisters. My older brother is Carlos Pulido. He is an electromechanical technician and he lives in Quebec, Canada. He has two children and they are students. In the future, he will continue working in Canada and he's going to help his children have a good education. My sister is Diana Pulido. Is a businesswoman. She has two children, Sarah and Juan. They are students. In the future, Diana will grow her business and she is going to create new opportunities. Sarah will finish school and she is going to a university. Juan will continue study and the university. Uh, my brother, Sebastian, is 27 years old. He is an accountant. In the future, he will improve his career and he is going to open his own accounting office. Thank you.